Here's a pop quiz. How often is the typical college or university classroom empty? 10% of the school day? 20%? The typical classroom is empty more than 40% of available hours, meaning they're occupied for less than 60% of the school day. With ever-present demands on finance and facilities administrators to decrease costs, respond to changing enrollment, and fairly evaluate space ownership, the need to use campus space to its full potential is more critical than ever. So why are classrooms empty so often? How do you satisfy all campus stakeholders? Where do you even start? Sightlines, a Gordian company, can show you. As a third party, Sightlines uses advanced data analytics and a thorough assessment of your teaching spaces to help you optimize your existing classrooms, save money, and create a foundation for strategic campus growth. We'll help you honestly assess your school spaces and communicate the financial impact of your current classroom usage and scheduling trends. We'll separate fact from fiction so you can clearly see what's working and what isn't. Best of all, we'll help you develop clear, actionable plans for classroom improvement that will make all campus stakeholders happy. To get started with Sightlines Space Utilization solution, contact us today or download our guide to learn more.